Hello, I'm Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here on the floor of the CME Group. One of the stocks we talked about today in our Market Taker Live Advantage Group coaching class was in Netflix, symbol NFLX. Take a look at a chart of Netflix. This stock has been dropping ever since December, and I think there's still room for it to head even farther south in the short term. The next support level is $80 a share. Implied volatility is relatively elevated. One great way to trade this is with a bear put spread. The trade that I like specifically is buying the regular February expiration 90-85 put spread. Now, the reason I like this trade is because there's plenty of room for Netflix to continue lower. Again, support isn't until $80 a share. There's a really strong risk reward right now. Because it's a debit spread and because of the positioning of the strike prices, implied volatility is largely hedged off and there's very little implied volatility risk. So even if it is elevated and pulls back later, that's not going to affect the outcome of this trade very much. In fact, if Netflix drops slowly and implied volatility ebbs, that implied volatility drop can only help this trade. So how would I manage this trade? With debit spreads like this, I take my profits at 80% of the maximum profit. So whatever price you put this trade on, if you can ever take 80% of the maximum profit, and again, the maximum profit is calculated by simply taking the difference between the two strike prices minus the debit paid, there's your profit target. Now, what if it goes against us? What if the stock ends up rallying? Well, with trades like this, I like to cut my losses at about maybe 35% of the maximum loss. So the market's already biased down to the downside. I think there's a better chance of going down than up. I can take an 80% profit, best case scenario, on the winning trade and lose only 35% of my maximum loss to the downside, which again, I think is less likely. It's a nice risk reward. It's a nice risk profile and probability of success. So there you have it. Now, before I let you go, surf on over to markettaker.com/telluride. That's markettaker.com/telluride and learn about our 2016 options training retreat in July in Telluride, Colorado. All the information you need is right there, and we hope that you can join us in the mountains this summer. This is Dan Passarelli of markettaker.com. Trade well.